YouTube monetization. How to make money from your videos. Want to make money from your love of YouTube? You can make money from your videos and channel in a lot of different ways. How to make money on YouTube ad revenue. Get paid for the ads that play before your videos. Channel memberships. Give paying members special content and benefits. Merchandise shelf. You can sell things right from your YouTube channel. Super chat and super stickers let people pay to have their messages stand out during live streams. YouTube Premium revenue. Get a cut of the money that YouTube Premium subscribers make when they watch your videos. Sponsorships. Work with brands to get the word out about their goods or services. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and getting paid for each sale. Selling your own products. You can sell your own digital or physical goods. Crowdfunding. Use crowdfunding sites to ask your viewers to help your channel. How to make money on YouTube. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid watch hours in the last 12 months. Fill out an application for the YouTube Partner Program. You can apply to join the YPP once you meet the requirements. Create an AdSense account. To get paid by YouTube, you need to have an AdSense account. Allow your videos to make money. You can turn on monetization for your videos and choose which kinds of ads to show. You should follow YouTube's rules for making money. Check to see if your content follows YouTube's rules for making money. How to make the most money on YouTube. Make great content. The better your content is, the more people will watch and subscribe. Optimize your videos for SEO. Make it easier for people to find your videos on YouTube. Talk to your audience. Get a loyal group of fans who will support your channel. Get the word out about your channel. Post your videos on social media, send them by email, and use other ways to share them. Look into different ways to make money. Try out different ways to make money on YouTube. Why being patient is important. You need to put in a lot of work over time to make a successful YouTube channel and start making a lot of money. If you don't see results right away, don't give up. The bottom line. Making money on YouTube can be a great way to turn your hobby into a job. You can make more money on YouTube and grow your business by following these tips.